here we have a failed power circuit. The main power comes in here, and here we have a failed power circuit, which you can tell because it's basically bulged out. So I've managed to pick up a replacement. These are exactly the same, 100 volt 3300 microfarad capacitor to replace the one that's there, and they come in a pack of 2, and it cost me about 13 bucks a piece, so about 26 bucks. They're about the size of a D-cell battery, sorry, a C-cell battery. And that should give you some idea of the size, what you're looking at. This is a power board. The actual number of the power board is here at the top. MPF 7718 Lima Foxtrot. We're going to do the remove. Starting to flex. There it goes. Starting to loosen. Get it to give up. There it comes. There's one. One is loose. Whoop. Grabbed it again.
Yeah, solder's annoying.
That one's
it
out.
Refreezes easily.
I know. There we go. So, there's the old one. And quickly we'll get the new one in. Important note, the stripe on the side is directed in a very specific way. It's marked on the board, and I'm in the right spot. And I just got to warm it up enough to get them in there. That should be adequate. All right, we'll just clean this up while it's warm. The solder off it.
I know for a fact it's even harder when it's solid.
Oh yeah, definitely. There we go. Clean that up. And that'll be it. Here we are with the completed part. There it's circled. The repair is complete. We're going to put it in there. Then we're going to put the back plate, once we get it in there, there it is. We're going to put the back plate on, reassemble the whole show, and we should be good to go. And well, the back is now reassembled, and it comes to the stand, which is going to go right here. Well, there we have it. We've turned on the power. We've got a blue light indicator on the lower right. It's good to go. We have no video to test it with, so we'll do that tomorrow.